Hi there, I'm Matt from Burton Waters Boat Sales here in Lincoln. Welcome back to one of our latest videos, and this time a brand new 2025 model Jeanneau Merry Fisher 895 Series 2. This model was launched about a year or so ago. It's been very popular, and this is our first one of 2025. So this one's a relatively light spec. One of the reasons we've done that is so that people can customize it and add to it as they want. We have got a higher spec one coming in May time, but as I say, this can be customized. And if you've watched some of our other videos, you know that in-house that we can fit carpets, fit canopies, do different upholstery, fit the flexi teak. So anything that you need doing can be done on this boat. So first of all, it's got the U-shaped seating, it does have the table as well, and then of course it's got the fold-down bench over on the port side. So beneath the cockpit floor here, you've got a really good sized storage lazarette. So you have got a ladder that goes down there, and at the back end there you've got those two storage compartments that you've got your batteries located underneath there, and it runs all the way underneath the saloon floor as well. So it's a great space to get a rolled up tender or all your fenders and lines when you're out boating. You've also got your fuel tanks either side of the cockpit, and it's got a pair of 300 litre fuel tanks, so that's one for each engine. So if we head inside now, so one of the nice updates on the Series 2 boat was this wood, which is slightly lighter colour as opposed to the darker walnut that was in the Series 1. Coming onto the galley now, this is one of the real nice improvements as well on the Series 2. So you don't have the lift-up hood that you did on the old series. You've just got a nice flush galley, and you've got these two panels that come out when you need to get to your hob. And this boat's actually got the ceramic hob on. Most of these boats have the gas. Obviously having the ceramic hob's a bit safer, not having gas on board. And it's also got this nice addition now with this panel at the end, lifts up, and you've got these sideboard bit which goes on top and just adds to your workspace. Of course, you've got your sink with hot and cold water, and again there's plenty of storage in the galley. This one doesn't have it, but again can be retrofitted if needed. There is space for a microwave oven if needed. And then you've got a nice big deep storage locker over on the opposite side. As I previously mentioned, obviously of course this boat is brand new, and we've got all of the upholstery still in all the wrappers. Again, there's a table which slots in here, and again it's lovely and light in here. So you've got again two big opening hatches, your opening door at your helm position, and then a really big size window on the starboard side. So if we move on to the helm position now, this is where this boat's got a nice spec on board. So you've got the addition of the joystick on here. Makes manoeuvrability so much easier, and we've all used this and we all sing the praises of this joystick for the Yamaha controls. You've also got your bow thruster as well. This boat's fitted with the Garmin 9-inch Chartplotter, and you've also got the nice upgrade of the Zipwake trim tabs. If you've not used Zipwake trim tabs out at sea, they're a really nice feature, dead easy to use, and it just makes your boating a little bit easier. The boat's also fitted with the Yamaha autopilot as well. If we head on down now to the cabins, so again another change of the Series 2 over the Series 1 boat is the forward cabin. So you still get a great size double berth. There is again the infill cushion into the middle of it if you do need to extend the bed out, and again the bed does lift up and there's storage underneath there. But obviously it is sunken a bit lower, and that's to make this feature up the front with the big sun pad area. Again, bit of storage in here with a hanging locker, and of course under the bed as well. This boat has got the TV antenna and has got the bracket to have a TV mounted up here. The layout hasn't changed again much with the second cabin. Again, bit of standing headroom at the side of the bed, and a good sized double berth once you're in there. The heads has been slightly refined on here, and it's got an electric toilet instead of the old Jabsco pump toilet. And then you of course got your sink with your tap that pulls out as well. Okay, so before we head on out onto the side deck, a couple of other bits to show you is it's got this really comfortable helm seat, and beneath the helm seat you've got your fridge as well. You've also got your Fusion audio system and a Garmin VHF overhead as well. Slightly nice as well because the VHF's been set slightly back just so the cable doesn't knock around your ears anymore. So this side door is fantastic. If you are short-handed boating, getting around the boat is so much easier. And of course up the front you've got your electric windlass, and this can be controlled from up on the bow and also at the helm position as well. And again, one of the biggest features of the Series 2 is this bow area. So you have got the option to have these sun pad cushions out the front, and makes a real nice feature of a boat that's just under 30 feet. There is also an infill cushion to make this whole area into a massive sun pad, so it's great if you've got the family out here. It's a great space for everyone. This boat is priced at £199,950. And as I've previously mentioned, if there's an option on here that you see that's missing, we can easily retrofit it in-house. So that includes diesel heating, the full canopy, carpets inside. As I say, you name it, we can do it in-house. As I've mentioned previously as well, we're planning on fitting the twin 200 horsepower Yamahas this. We could upgrade that to the 250s if required. With the 200s, it will give you a cruising speed of anywhere between sort of 20 and 25 knots and flat out of about 35, 36 knots. So the 200s are plenty, but say some people like that little extra horsepower. With the 200s and at a cruising speed, you've got a range of about 150 nautical miles. We're open 7 days a week, and this boat is on our sales walkway. So if you'd like to come and take a look, you're more than welcome. And just to finish up, Jeanneau are part of the Beneteau group, and they offer the best warranties in the marine industry. So it comes with a 3-year warranty on everything that Jeanneau make. It will come with a 5-year Yamaha warranty, as long as servicing's all kept up with. And it will come with a 10-year structural hull warranty. So as I say, that's one of the big benefits of buying a brand new boat. If you have any questions, or if you have a part exchange and looking to trade up or even trade down, feel free to give us a call.